Hey guys, this is Gus from G&G Mechanical, and today we're installing this new carrier rooftop unit in Delaware. Check it out. And here is the old rooftop being lowered off the roof. And there goes our new carrier rooftop unit from Moore Brothers Wine Store. Once the unit is on the roof, then we get to hook up the gas, electric, and thermostat wires. This one also came equipped with an economizer and a low ambient kit. And here's the G&G crew in action, up on the roof getting ready to set the new rooftop. It's all hands on deck. For all your heating and air conditioning needs, give us a call, 856 931 9231. Have a great day.